Everyone, this is Saman Patra. Hope you are doing great. Today we have invited Nidhi Behan, and she is the founder of Story of Souls, and she will be live with us today, and we'll be discussing about mental health and the series Let's Talk Mental Health, Season 3. So I'm just waiting for Nidhi to join us. So once she joins, we'll be inviting her immediately. I'm just waiting for her. Just give me one moment. All right. And give me one quick moment, guys. Hi,
Hi,
Nidhi.
everyone. How are you?
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good.
So welcome, Nidhi, and
Thank
thank you for joining us today. So, guys, Nidhi is the founder of Story of Souls, and she has been in touch with us since a long time, and she has been covering our story of one life event. So, I would like to, pass on to Nidhi and to share her journey from her own words. Over to you.
Yeah, see, we started in 2017. So when we started, the journey was not known to us even. So, but the
Hmm.
only aim which we had in our mind was that we need to do something for the people. Like a lot of people don't have time with them. So if you have any problem or a concern, then a lot of time, whom do you want to share it with? So you don't have anybody around in those situations, or you intentionally do not want to share some problems with a lot of people. So this brought me to a concept of let's do it like sharing online. So online you
Okay.
are sharing in a way when you are venting your situations, your feelings, your maybe you are exhausted or you are hurt.
True.
It could be anything. So we
Hmm.
just wanted that should be shared, and that's it. We do not want to make fun of it, nor do we want to judge. We just leave it as it is. That
Okay.
story will go as it is, but just that the person will heal. It is like saying or sharing your problems with someone. So this is how we started,
Absolutely.
just with a diary writing. As you are writing, you are healing. So this was the concept by which we
True.
started, and we categorically
Okay.
wanted common man story. We don't wanted
Okay.
any high-fi stories, any celebrities, we could have done all this because there are a lot of people who are paying us money and all those things that will be there, but the intention was that any common man should have a platform
Hmm.
by which they should be able to share without any hesitation. They don't want to be judged to sit, they don't want their names to be there. If that is a
Okay.
situation, we have some stories where we go anonymous. We do not share the
Okay.
name of those people, but yes, people are smart enough. They just say that this story I find it quite inspiring, and I'm just wanted to sharing with you. So they're sharing those stories. In fact, it is their own story, but it is only 2 or 3 people who actually know about that incident. Nobody else is aware
Okay.
about it, but yes, that's how they are able to heal through that situation. At least they have shared it with somebody, and we are happy that we could
Okay.
make it 3 years it has been, and the journey has been phenomenal. We are getting recognition. The website ranking has gone better. We are in the top 5
Okay.
Google rankings. So it is all through the common man. Yeah.
That's really nice of you of thinking of such a beautiful initiative wherein you can cover people who have stories and who wants to share their stories which can inspire other people. So really
Yes.
nice job. And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors even.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So Nidhi, as you know that we are into mental health and we have been spreading the awareness about mental health and why it is important to spread the awareness and how we can do more so that people can get impacted and they can get information about why awareness of mental health is important in their life, right? So for you, if I ask you a question that what is mental health according to you?
See, the problem is society do not care about mental health. They do care about their beauty, their external health. They do care
Hmm.
about their fitness, but they maybe we are all immune to, like I say, plastic smiles, and just saying that we are okay just for the sake of saying. So till the time
Hmm.
we keep on having these philosophies within us, we keep on inculcating them and we keep on saying all
Mm-hmm.
these things till the time, I don't think so we will be able to have a good mental health. Wherein for
Right.
me, mental health would mean that it's okay if you feel bad about it. You can shout, you can be bad, you can be crying, you can be worst, and maybe you can just tear the person apart, whosoever you're feeling hurt
Mm-hmm.
with. But what is not okay is do not healing from that situation is not okay with me. It is okay for you to go bad.
Right.
Yes, you can have a bad mouth, you can have bad thing, all that thing is okay. But if you're not able to heal from that situation after being venting all those feelings also, then that's bad for me. According to me, that's is creating a block in your mind, and it will hamper all your experiences in the times to come. So if till the time you have that grudge within you, you need to heal. And for that healing, once you have vented out to somebody, still that grudge will remain. Until unless you let it
Right.
go, it will be there. So we need to work on our own thoughts. Thoughts doesn't mean what you say. I mean, expression is one thing, but for me or for anybody else, if you really want to understand healing or mental fitness, then you need to work on your
Mm-hmm.
thoughts, which is very important. Whenever you are sitting alone, you need to understand that what you are thinking. You know, you need to have positive affirmations. You need to
Right.
say, I am a blessed soul. You have to say, I'm awesome. I am capable of doing this thing. You know, rather than
Right. So,
criticizing others, rather than thinking what these things are failure within my life or around me, we need to focus on what is good in you till the time it grows. When the positivity within you grows through your thoughts, then is the time when you are actually healed, and that is how you will take care of your mental health. So for me, if you take care of your thoughts, that's how you will be sorted. And I trust me, taking care of your thoughts is the biggest thing. It is something which is tough.
absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely correct. So, Nidhi, I'll tell you that one thing you might have come across lots of people who have stories, who might have been into a situation wherein they have lost hope in their lives, and any specific story that you recall and you would like to share without giving any kind of names or any kind of identity of the person, any story which can be shared or you can share right now, and it might help our viewers even.
I think I will have lots of stories. It is not one story because we give due
Okay.
weightage to every story. We talk with these people basically, you know. It
Mm-hmm.
is not that they just write and we just copy. We try to know that person, you know. So
Okay.
whenever me or anybody from my team, they interview that person, they try to say that you
Mm-hmm.
are a fighter. You know, it doesn't matter have
Okay.
you succeeded or nothing, but if you are able to overcome through those problems, through those situations, for us you are a success.
Mm-hmm.
So you are a
Right.
fighter for us. So definitely we try to send them more healings, more positivity and affirmations when we talk
Mm-hmm.
to them. This is the first thing that we do.
Okay.
Now these people are really hurt, and I myself has experienced and have heard a lot of stories, trust me. And at times I'm not able to sleep properly just because these stories, they keep on ringing in my mind. Somewhere I feel, can I do something for this particular person?
So it
So
happens.
what we do is through the stories. I know going to
Okay.
a psychiatrist or psychologist or do a help is all a stigma today still in the society. So
Right.
we don't know them, but we send them positivity through our healing energies. This is the one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Secondly, we try to create the story in a positive manner so that we try to make this person an inspiration. We show
Mm-hmm.
that a lot of people could not cross through these all situations, but this person is still determined. If he's called us and he is asking us to share that story, that means this person has some courage left. Even if that's a single drop of courage which is there, we try to make a bucket out of it. This is what we feel
Right.
when we connect with such people, you know. So we could be the last hope for that person. I mean, that person does not know. I mean, 3 years have been
True.
like, I don't even count. So many stories have came across us. So
Mm-hmm.
I'll say some of the stories. This is the story of this guy, which is the, I think, first
Mm-hmm.
story of my website. And
Okay.
this guy, he happened to be an orphan at quite a young age. I'm not sharing
Mm-hmm.
anybody's name, nothing like it. So this person, I think he was 13 years old, 3 years old story, and he was 13 years old, and he has to do everything on his own because he became an orphan. He lost both his parents.
Mm-hmm.
So there was a lot of stigma, there was a lot of problems, because he alone has to manage at such an age. It is not about studies, it is about his survival. So which was
Absolutely.
under question. He do not have money, the family had been into a lot of illness, so they don't have something
Mm-hmm.
which could be there on his name so that he could have some money. No guidance was there, and then he was so hurt. He had such problems which he wanted to deal with. Somewhere it was courage within him through which he sailed. But he
Right.
is sharing his story when presently he's working. He's working in a very global and renowned MNC at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
And he was beautifully able to come out from all such situations. So what happened
Okay.
was he's doing really well within him. So when we just brought this concept out, and he was the first person,
Mm-hmm.
and then he said that I really wanted to share about my story. So we just
Okay.
happened to listen to this person's story, and we made it live. We really worked really hard on the story, on everything that we could,
Mm-hmm.
so that it makes him a fighter through the story itself. Through the story, he's not saying anything about him. So we made that story, and trust me, when his bosses, everybody whosoever knows him, because he don't has a family at the moment, but whosoever his
Okay.
friends and his college colleagues, his office colleagues, his family,
Mm-hmm.
everybody, the second cousins, whosoever were there, all these people, they read his story, and the boss, he called me up and he said, my boss called me up and he said that I just could not believe you looks like a normal person, and then this all has happened to you, and you become a real life inspiration for everybody. He said that I may be
Okay.
boss, but I salute you. The way you have overcome such challenges in your life is tremendous. And that
Mm-hmm.
story went viral in his entire office, and it is a global network company, so it reached everywhere:
Okay.
Germany, US, America, everywhere. And this story
All
has
right.
become a case study in that particular organization, and this was the
That's
first
really
story.
nice.
Yes, and he also became like a award winner, kind of an employee of the courage or
Mm-hmm.
something like that. I mean, they just facilitated him for the courages that they have, and he called me 3 times. And when he got the award, he again called me up, and he was
Okay.
so really thankful that we could justify to his thing. It was in fact an inspiration
Right.
for us also, because it was our first story. Since we could
Mm-hmm.
do some justice to that, it gives me also some courage. It's always a give and take kind
Right.
of a thing. It's not that if I have reached to a level, then I cannot be hurt, or I cannot be sad about it. I'm also human. I also
True.
need some motivation. So that was a great motivation for me to look on to this concept in a very positive manner. From that time onwards, I never look back. Yeah.
That's really nice. That's really nice, inspirational story, which can actually inspire many people because, there are lots of people who goes, lots of problems in life, lots of ups and downs, and that point in time, sometimes we try even and we think of giving up, But again, there is an inner energy which always push us to go and fight with the situation and to grow from that situation. So this is a beautiful story that you have shared right now, and yes, yes, please.
Yeah, I was just about to say two more things, that still I see
Yeah.
people are there who don't want to share. Now, what I
Mhm.
really want to say to all these people is, one day we'll all have to die. And there is a story which is
True.
going to be talked about you. There will be people when you are no more, they'll be talking about you. So why not you just speak about your struggles and your all those
Yes.
things where you really have some grudges. It is possible. Grudges is there. They will be with everybody. It's not that I don't have
True.
any grudges with anybody. I may have.
Mhm.
Any influencer does not mean that you are healed completely. Even any saint,
Right.
they may all have some grudges in one point in time. You need to heal through that. Healing happens when you share, when you speak about it. then only this healing happen. In one way, if you are communicating through
Right.
writing, is also a way. You can do it in any way. Anybody do a
Absolutely.
diary writing. I don't want you to share it with us, with me, or with any friend. You think that nobody is there to listen to you. Just write it down as a diary writing within you. Do it anyway.
True.
Once you write, when you focus your thoughts, you will understand something would have been wrong on your end. Something would have been situational, which you overreacted. So you will analyze. The day you will analyze, you will start healing. And keep working on your healing. That is more important. As you go 20 minutes and walk, similar way, give 20 minutes to your mind. Tell your mind, I really want to heal. Every day, tell your mind, I
Right.
want to heal. You need to give instructions to your mind. If you do this,
Absolutely.
trust me, you will be a very happy person. People will look on to you. So this is what I really want to say. Speak up. Nothing happens. People will judge you. They will anyway judge you. Even though God has always been judged, you know. You can talk about Jesus Christ. You can talk about
True.
Krishna. You can talk about anybody. People will judge.
Absolutely.
That is what they want to do. That's their job. Let them judge.
Absolutely. And judgment comes when we react to situations, when we react to people and surroundings. So it happens, and it is quite normal and natural with every human being.
Yes. See, actually, what I'll say is the problem is हम judge करते हैं पर हम accept नहीं करते. Okay.
True.
You may have understood. I really want to take 2 minutes to explain both of these things. Judgment अलग है, acceptance अलग है. आप suppose
True.
मैं ये कहती हूँ कि शुमोन को ये एक चीज है जो he don't have a patience. Suppose, just taking an example. So ये मैंने judgment बनाया. But क्या
Right.
मैं उस तरीके से शुमोन का behavior accept कर सकती हूँ? So this is another thing. हम क्या करते हैं? हम
Right.
judge कर देते हैं and we leave it. Then it's a fight.
Mhm.
Okay? You will fight because now you want to change me. Second step is you want to change me.
Right.
Sorry, I want to change you now. Shimon has to change कि उसको patience रखना चाहिए. We should not be impatient. ठीक है? However, if we accept, suppose Shimon is impatient and I start accepting him. Gradually, Shimon will start accepting himself. And you
Okay.
will gradually learn to be patient.
Absolutely.
So these are the two things. It's a very long process, but if we build this one by one, a lot of things will be sorted out about ourselves. हम खुद को ही नहीं accept कर पाते. Suppose if I have a dark complexion. Suppose if I am fat. I'm not able to accept myself. Why do I have to look for the society to accept me? You know, I look for
Absolutely,
my
that-
boyfriend, I look for my husband, I look for my family or my parents to accept me. हम खुद से
True.
खुद को प्यार क्यों नहीं कर सकते? You know, first we need to love ourselves. First we need to accept ourselves. जैसे हम हैं.
True.
Then comes the
And
confidence.
again, absolutely. See, जब तक until and unless you start accepting yourself, that is called self-acceptance.
Yes,
Until then, you cannot, understand what is self-love,
exactly.
right?
Precisely. Accept करना पड़ता है खुद को. ठीक है. I may be wrong. I may be bad. I may be fat.
True.
I am impatient. Okay, but I need to accept. The day I start accepting
Absolutely.
myself, I'll be confident. Accept कर लूंगी. ये problem है तो शायद उस पे work upon भी कर पाऊंगी. ये नहीं है?
Absolutely.
पर मैं accept ही नहीं करूंगी ये problem है तो मैं उस पे work upon कैसे करूंगी?
Right. So until and unless you accept something, you cannot change. It may be a behavior, it can be a situation, it can be even a surrounding,
Yes.
right?
Even yes, you have to accept your surroundings also. True, very true.
Absolutely. So, Nidhi, my next question to you would be, as we know that, mental health is a very big subject. It's a vast subject and we cannot, discuss in details on each and every point. So I'll be asking you only very few, fundamental questions wherein, we know that in India, it's, we feel very much shy and we don't discuss openly about mental health. And there are lots of other topics which we don't discuss about. And we hesitate to discuss about our problems to other people because we feel that other people may judge us, right?
Yes.
So in this kind of situation or scenario, what would be your suggestion to people? How should they open up? What should they do to open up and vent it out?
See,
Writing
there
is
are
one of
two
the
things.
things you said.
Yeah. No, I would like to touch upon few other things also before we end up. So
Sure.
I will rather say
Mm-hmm.
we need to work upon our affirmations. I'll tell you what is affirmation.
Mm-hmm.
Affirmations is nothing but we use those words which are positive.
True.
Okay. So if we start using those words, they are positive. Gradually, things will start changing. We need to have patience
True.
with ourselves. We don't have to change the world. This is the first thing. Accept, surrender to those situations wherein you feel that you are struck up. Just surrender. Have you seen like in दलदल में क्या होता है आपको पता है? The day you
Right.
loosen up, you will overcome. How you start your swimming में कैसे होता है? When you loosen up yourself, you start floating.
Absolutely.
So this is the same phenomena. हमें जब ऐसी problems आती हैं, situations आती हैं, we need to accept कि ये हमें कुछ सिखाने के लिए आई है. There is some learning which is there.
True.
वो learning आप ही समझ सकते हो if you can understand it well. Number one. Number two, we
True.
need to accept.
Right.
चीजों को एक्सेप्ट करना है, खुद को एक्सेप्ट करना है. हाँ, मैं ये चीज से डील नहीं कर पा रही तो मैं एक्सेप्ट करूंगी. मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया, आई मे कम अप विद सम सॉल्यूशंस.
Right.
राइट. तो ये ठीक है, ये प्रॉब्लम है मेरे साथ, एक्सेप्ट. ये मैं ऐसी हूँ, एक्सेप्ट. मैं खराब हूँ, एक्सेप्ट. ठीक है, सब कुछ एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तभी कुछ आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. नहीं तो वी विल बी इन अ लूप कि नहीं नहीं आपने ऐसे किया है, देन बिकम्स अ ब्लेम गेम.
Absolutely.
So we want to move out of that blame game. It will only happen when we say that yes, I'm moving. I have to do something positive about it. I have to crack this situation. I need to move on from this situation. उस move on करने
True.
के लिए क्या steps हैं वो तब हम समझ सकते हैं when we actually start accepting. So the first stage is acceptance. Second, keep on having patience with you. Number three, you should keep reminding yourself positive affirmations. There will be days when you will be so low that I don't know. I mean, there are days. I have also. Hi, Shimon, you there?
Yes, yes. I was getting a call. Really sorry. Yeah, please continue.
Okay. I just thought that I have a bad network with me.
Just a second. Just a second. Disconnected. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. So these are the three things. What I said was, first you need to accept. Number two,
Accept,
have
yeah.
patience with you. Number three, have positive affirmations every day. Tell your mind, I am strong enough. I will overcome it. And one day, it will all be worth it. These are the three things.
Right.
Positive affirmations could be anything. I wanted to have some good results. I wanted to have promotion. I wanted to earn good money. So everything will happen. You can say, I will have a blessed life. I will have an awesome life with me. I am
True.
presently leading an awesome life. Any of those things you can talk about it. But say positive.
Right.
Stop criticizing about you or about the situation or about the people. When you criticize, it becomes a loop. It becomes a loop which is a very negative. And our words create those energies around us which will multiply even further.
Absolutely. See, I'll tell you, in NLP, we talk something which is called map is not the territory, right? Because sometimes what we think, what we see, it's not necessary that it may be the truth, right? Because sometimes you say something or you do something, it's not necessary or mandatory that you intend the same thing.
Yes, definitely. Very right. Very well said. Yeah, it happens.
Right.
Precisely.
So, Nidhi, my last question to you would be, as you are already spreading, such beautiful stories through your platforms and you're inspiring people. So, my last question to you would be that, how do you think that mental health, or maybe through the through storytelling, how it can impact a human's mind or mental health?
I don't think I am doing this. Trust me, I am doing this,
I
and we
know.
have got readers, and they appreciate us. They send us messages, and everything is happening. And I'll tell you how it happens. I do not knew that this is going to bring some change, or something positive will happen to this venture, but it has happened. People come back to us and they say, suppose किसी और की problem है जो उसने share करी हमारे पास. There is another
Okay.
person who is also dealing with some similar problem like that, and then he's looking for some help. He doesn't get that help. वो लिख नहीं रहा है अपनी story, but he happened to reach to our website. अगर वो हमारी story को पढ़ रहा है, he has understood. Stories is something, since the day we are born, we are being told about stories and the lullaby. These are the two things which were always told to us the day we are born. So
Right.
stories always have an impact, and what I always say is there is a miracle in the stories which can change everything, you know. So we try to
True.
bring that miracle out from our stories. And जब कोई और पढ़ता है किसी और की स्टोरी, उसको तो वो जानता नहीं है, उसकी सिचुएशंस को भी वो जानता नहीं है. नंबर 2, उसको पता है कि ये भी एक कॉमन आदमी ही है. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि वो इज बॉर्न विद अ सिल्वर स्पून या कोई पॉलिटिशियन है. They're all told कि अगर वो
Right.
अकेला इस सारी सिचुएशन में सेल कर सकता है, I can also do it. So we have been able to bring that change. People come back to us, they tell us कि आपकी ये वाली स्टोरी हमने पढ़ी थी, and thank you. I was stuck somewhere, but this is how I'm able to at least restart. I'm not saying कि उसकी solve हो गई है problem, because we are not psychologists, but as a friend, उसने दोबारा से चलना शुरू कर दिया. I think that's good enough for us. If somebody is having one single impact about a good thing, nothing like it, no?
Absolutely, absolutely. So, taking baby steps towards your solution, it's also a victory, and it's also a success in anyone's life, right? And
Yeah,
I do agree.
कहते हैं ना कि क्या बोलते हैं उसको कि तिनके का सहारा ही, डूबते हुए को तिनके का सहारा ही काफी होता है.
Right.
तो बस
सहारा ही
वही
काफी होता है.
situation रहती है.
Absolutely. Even I truly agree, and that stories connect people very easily.
Yes.
आप उनसे बातें करो, and when we read books as well, and चाहे वो कोई भी genre की book हो, when we start reading books and all, we also connect with the characters sometimes, right? It happens with us.
Yes.
So
मूवीज की अगर आप बात करते हो तो मूवीज से भी हम क्या होते हैं, हम कभी कभी इतना कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं, we get so influenced कि हम काफी टाइम तक सोचते रहते हैं. They leave an impact on us.
Absolutely.
Precisely.
True. Absolutely.
Stories ही हैं ultimately. They are being dramatized. That's it.
Absolutely correct. So Nidhi, we are almost towards the end of our session. So I'm really thankful that you have joined today for the session, and you have shared such beautiful insights through storytelling and all these things. And you've been doing an incredible job, and हम really चाहते हैं कि आप और भी ज़्यादा तरक्की करें, और लोगों तक पहुंचें, और लोगों की स्टोरी सुनाएं, and लोगों के it's not about only mental health. It's about the overall well-being of a human being, right?
Yes. It is about finding that reason why you have taken birth on this earth, ये उसके बारे में.
Absolutely.
And if we do that journey,
True.
that happens when we start healing. And thank you so
True.
much, Suman. In fact, you yourself is doing a phenomenal job. When we first connected, I still remember, it was an instant connect. What you said is what I said. So precisely,
Right.
This is amazing job that you guys are doing. Keep doing it. The world needs more of you guys also. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nidhi, and thank you for joining. Thank you all, and have a good day. Bye-bye.